Learn new skills. The world is changing rapidly. Technology is evolving every day. Don't only study for exams, study for life. Learn skills like computer applications, Microsoft Office, graphic design, artificial intelligence, programming, communication, English speaking, digital marketing. Skills create opportunities. Knowledge increases your value. Believe in yourself. The first step towards success is believing that you are capable. There will always be people who doubt your dreams. Don't let their doubts become your limits. Confidence doesn't mean knowing everything. It means believing you can learn anything with time and effort. When you believe in yourself, opportunities begin to appear.
Build good habits. Success is not built in one day. It is built by small actions, repeated every day. Read for 20 minutes. Exercise for 30 minutes. Learn a new skill. Practice speaking confidently. Reduce time spent scrolling on social media. Small habits become big achievements. Remember, your habits shape your future. Your future starts with the choices you make today. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share a simple but powerful message. Your future is not decided by your past. It is created by what you choose to do today. Every successful person was once a beginner. Every expert was once a student. Every champion started with small, imperfect steps. Many young people think, I'm too young, or I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow often becomes next week, next month, or even next year. The best time to begin is now. 4. Don't fear failure. Many people never achieve success because they are afraid of failing. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every lesson makes you stronger. Don't ask, what if I fail? Ask, what if I succeed? 5. Manage your time. Time is your most valuable asset. Money can be earned again. Lost time never returns. Use your day wisely. Instead of spending hours on entertainment, spend at least 1 hour improving yourself. 1 hour every day equals hundreds of hours every year. Imagine how much you could learn. 6. Choose good friends. Your friends influence your future. Stay close to people who encourage you, inspire you, challenge you, support your goals. Avoid people who constantly complain, waste time, or discourage ambition. Positive company creates positive thinking. 7. Never stop learning. 7. Never stop learning. Learning doesn't end after school or college. Read books, watch educational videos, attend workshops, ask questions. Be curious. The more you learn, the more confident you become. 8. Respect your parents and teachers. Behind every successful person are people who supported them. Respect your parents. Listen to your teachers. Be thankful for those who guide you. Gratitude makes you stronger and more grounded. 9. Stay healthy. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Sleep well. Eat nutritious food. Exercise regularly. Drink enough water. Avoid harmful habits. Your health is the foundation for everything else. 10. Dream big, start small. Many young people wait for the perfect opportunity, but successful people create opportunities. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Start with what you have. 1 page, 1 lesson, 1 project,
one idea, one step. Small beginnings often lead to extraordinary journeys. Final message. Remember these words. Believe in yourself. Work hard every day. Learn continuously. Respect others. Stay disciplined. Never give up. Your background does not determine your destination. Your current situation does not define your future. The choices you make today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Stand up. Dream big. Work with honesty. Stay patient. Keep learning. And never stop believing in your potential. Thank you. And I wish every one of you success, happiness, and a bright future. Your journey begins today.
The one who keeps going even when no one is watching. That version is unstoppable. You don't need 1 million followers. You need one follower. Yourself, believe in you the way a child believes in magic. Because magic is real. And you are the magician. Rise now, not tomorrow, not next year, not when you're ready. Rise now. Take that step, make that call, write that story, start that business, build that dream, love that person, forget that wound, heal that heart. Today is not practice. Today is the game. So, when they ask you, when did you change your life? Look them in the eye and say, today, right here, right now, I rose.